contact tower now on 126.0. 126.0 for 16 West, right, thanks.
I come from a little town, it's Wamego, Kansas. It's about 600 miles away. We discovered the air show in 1975, and we've been coming ever since. My mom came up when she was 87 to see what she'd been hearing about for the last 30 years and had a really good time. There's always something new here. Somebody's always restored something that I've never heard of before, no matter how long you've been in aviation. Someone finds a new old plane to bring. Just a great family atmosphere.